Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate Chase debit card. If you want to activate, so you can also do it through the Chase mobile application and through this website. So the steps which I'm going to show you, it's exactly the same. Right, now the first thing is that we have to go to the Chase, right? Chase.com, this is where we are already here, and sign in with our using our credentials. So we have to just go and click on sign in on the top right, and then we have to just let it load here. We have to enter our username and password and click on sign in. So once we are logged in into our account, look for the card activation option on the account dashboard and follow the prompts to activate your card. Right, so this is how you can do this, and they will ask you some credentials and you will do this. If you want to activate at a Chase ATM, insert your debit card into your Chase ATM, enter your PIN to complete the activation process. Call the number on the back of your debit card and follow the automated instruction to activate it through your phone. So they ask generally the card number, which is usually happen with you, the name and the number, that's it. So it's nothing very important, but of course whatever the credential you have provided, they are going to ask something from there. So this is it. If you need any help, then let us know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.